Hi, in this video I would like you to present our new script called Loyalty SaaS, and as the name suggests, this is a script that you can use to run your own loyalty programs for both you or sell it as a service to your clients. So let's get started with it. First, what you see, this is the landing page of the project, and as any other landing page, it has the basic functionality of the system, informations, some demo loyalty programs, the basic features of the system, and pricing plans. And at the end, there are frequently asked questions, and all of this content is modifiable, so you're able to run it, to modify it or translate it into your language. So we will present the project from three different perspectives, from admin perspective, from owner of the company perspective, and from client perspective. So let's get started and see how it works. Here I'm able to directly log in as an admin, and when you log in as an admin, you will see a dashboard where you can see how many users are there and how many of them are paying clients, what is the monthly revenue and the annual revenue. And so these are the companies that subscribe to some of your payment plans. And here on the next menu, here you can directly log in or view it. And inside the companies tab, you will see all the companies that are registered in your project. You can export in CSV and import that email inside MailChimp or whatever program you want to use, and do some kind of marketing on top of them. And you as an admin are able to really take control of manage some of the configurations for the companies, and you are able to manually set the pricing plan. Inside the apps tab, there are some extensions that you can upload inside the project, and it will gain additional functionality for it. Inside the system, you have site settings, landing page. From the landing page, you're able to control the things that we saw on the landing page, and from the pricing plans, you're able to add your own pricing plans, connect to Stripe, Paddle, or PayPal. Here also you are able to translate the system and check for updates, and in the support tab you are able to directly communicate with us if you have any problem. Once again, I will go to the dashboard, and from here I will log out, and I will log in inside one of the clients, which is the Leuca Pizza, and this is the pizza owner. And I'm able to click here on the company tab, and immediately I will see the landing page for the loyalty platform. But let's first go back to the admin panel of the owner and see what information we have here. So here we have the number of customers, how many gifts they have given, how many points their clients have earned, and what is the sale value from their loyal customers. And here they see the latest customers and active awards that they're offering to their clients. So we'll go step by step. Let's maybe first will be best to go into the awards section. So awards is a way what you're giving to your clients when they reach some level, they will spend points to get some level of some rewards for it. So for example, in this demo we have a get a free pizza slice plus dessert, and 50% discount. And let's see how that looks. We have an image, title, description, points that will be used in order to get this award, what type of reward this is it percentage, fixed, physical product or digital product like the other ones, value for the discount, and until when this offer is active. As you can see, the awards appear here. So this is the one that we just saw. I'll go back. So these are our awards. In this menu, we are able to give points to our clients. So in this case, we have one client. But when we'll have multiple clients, what we're able to set is this is the ID of their card. So I can just start typing and the correct client should appear. This could be connected with a barcode scanner, so owners of the loyalty program can have their own printed physical cards, and they can scan them in order to get the ID and directly find the correct client. In this case, we have only one client that, as you can see, has a lot of points. So the client has come to my shop and has made some purchase. I can enter the order ID that they made, and on the site we have point rules. So in this demo we have created few rules for giving point. So not every item of the order gives same amount of points, as we saw from inspecting a lot of loyalty programs. So we have inside the loyalty points distribution, they can set the appropriate percentage, static points and static points threshold. So let's say that my client ordered a gourmet pizza with value of, let's say, $50. So with this $50 meaning that they will get 20% percentage of the valuable goes to points, and they will gain also 6 points because the order is bigger than 50. And I'm able to do calculate, and as you can see now they get 10 points from this value and 6 points from the how do you call it, because the order is bigger than 15, so the total points is 16, and I'm able to give points to the client. So these points are transferred to my client point card, and as you can see now the points have increased for that client. These are the point distribution rules, and for each category they can set different values. Let's go now to redeem points. So now let's give this client some awards. So so my client come to my shop and they want to redeem their points and want to get the award of pizza slice plus dessert. And what this does, it will remove 115 points from this user. So if I do that, now the points have been removed from the client, and now a coupon is created. So when the client comes to my shop once again and they want to use the award, I should click on client redeem the award, so that this means that client did get the award, and now the coupon is already used. This is because the clients can get awards on their own, so that's why we have this type of workflow. Now in general we should go in customers, and we have this one client. We can see the movements, how many points he has, the card number. We can set additional information, and these are the movements that this client has done. I'm able to edit it, to change or assign a valid card ID, manually modify the points, enter address, city, and so on. And of course I can export this data into CSV, and that way I can communicate with my clients or import it on some other place. What we didn't see now, these are company configurations. They can change the currency, they can change the logo and the cover image. These are some configuration for the loyalty platform, their working hours and location. And if I go now to the staff, here I can add new staff members to my companies. So I'm the owner of the company, but also staff members will have the privileges of giving points, redeem points, getting the awards, and so on. If I go to plan, this is the place where I can see on which plan the owner is at the moment, and they can subscribe to a different plan. or cancel the existing subscription. So I will go now back to the dashboard. As you can see, the gifts has been increased. The sale value has been increased because my client has spent $50 on pizza with me, and this is automatically calculated. I will now log in as a client and see how that looks. We'll log in as a client, and in this demo, the demo client is a part of few businesses at one time, but in general it's most likely that one client will have only one card belonging to a particular business. But I want to let you know that they can also have multiple. Same user can be a client of few shops, few owners or companies. And my demo client has in total this number of points. He has 2 gifts received, 4 transactions made, and the value that he has made. And as you can see, he has cards from different businesses. The Leuka Pizza one is the one that we worked before. So as you can see, each of the cards have a barcode, and this barcode can be changed if the company changed the card ID. So maybe it's a real physical card. So when the client goes to the shop, can present both from the mobile phone or from the physical card that he has in his wallet. Let's see what action the client has. He can go to transactions, see the transaction he has made, and the awards that he have received. So as you can see, we did use the pizza slice plus dessert, but his 50% discount is still active, and with the code he can use when he purchases some additional things at the vendor or things like that. Let's go back to the dashboard, and if I now click on the Leuka Pizza card, I will be redirected to the Leuka Pizza campaign website. So this runs on different subdomain, as you can see, leukapizza.colibriloyalty.com, and it's important to know that there is a plugin that you can use, so your vendors can directly have their own custom domain that will directly open this landing page. As you can see now, the client is not logged in here, and this happens because it's on a different subdomain. Before it was colibriloyalty.com, and when I go here it's Leuka Pizza. So users will need to log in, and they log in as a client. But in most cases they will go directly to the vendor campaign page and directly log in from there, or have only one single card. So this is the loyalty website of the company, and as you can see, we can manage from the owner perspective all the informations here. Also we can change the cover page, this text, all the awards that are active will be displayed here, and I can add my own frequently asked questions or information about my loyalty program. So this is completely configurable by the owner, by the company owner. When I'm logged in now, my points from this vendor are presented and my card ID. And all the awards that I have access to are available for me to get it. So I want to get a free pizza. I want to convert 100 of my points into this award, and I have 1,795, and I will spend 100 points to get this award. And now I did get the award with a created code, and if I go to my dashboard, I can see Leuka Pizza here, and I have 100 points less. But if I go to my dashboard in my awards, I do have this award for me that I can transfer it into physical product when I go to that restaurant, to that vendor place. And I will log out now from the client dashboard. And when there is no client logged in, of course, you're redirected to log in when there is no active client. So with this video, I think I gave you a brief overview of the project capabilities. We made this project mainly because there are other alternatives or platforms, but what is good here is that the companies have more control over the data. They can export their data, and this is also a good tool for you to run your business, to start a new business, where you can offer loyalty programs to local or international companies. And you have a totally you're not restricted to whether the company should use physical cards or the clients can use the cards that are presented in the website. And with the regular license, you're able to just start the loyalty program for your own business. I would also like to mention that there is another video on how you can integrate this project into our existing scripts like QR Menu Maker, WhatsApp Food, FoodTiger, and so on. So please check that video also to see how easy it is to integrate this project into our other programs. And yeah, from here you can see that also there are other demo loyalty programs like the jewelry shop and the beauty salon. So these are just few examples. Of course, you can do, I think every kind of business can have a loyalty platform. And all of these frequently asked questions, an intro text is per vendor, so they can change all the informations they want. And yeah, with this I think I give you a brief overview of the project. Feel free to send any questions and we will be happy to answer. And yeah, hope you like this new script. Thank you. Bye bye.